Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2009 Jeep Patriot MK. This vehicle sustained damage to the left front. This shape ran from the 8th month 2007 to the 12th month 2016. This vehicle is fitted with a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. All-wheel drive. We have the bonnet, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left-hand door, left rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, tailgate has a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory tow bar, right hand tail light, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door appears to have no damage, right hand power door mirror, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior and grey. We have the driver's power window master switch. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, factory standard AC controls, factory single disc MP3 player stereo, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, a tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.